Hello friends and welcome back to the Religion channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sycom GeForce RTX 50 series Silent Master graphics card with Noctua fan. So friends, Sycom is a Japan-based OEM brand. So friends, the Sycom has unveiled the Silent Master GeForce RTX 50 series graphics card with custom cooling solution and that use the aluminum finish tech heatsink and paired with a large 120 Noctua fans for ventilation. So friends, the series includes the three models including RTX 5070 Ti, RTX 5070 and RTX 5060 Ti 16GB, and at this point it's known the Sycom design, the heatsink and the PCB. There is a possibility that these are sourced from graphics card OEM without the cooler shroud and fans and topped up with custom cooler shroud and backplate and paired with the Noctua-sourced high-end fans. And the RTX 5070 Ti and 5070 cards come with larger cooler and paired with 120 NF A12 into 15 means 25 thick, and while the RTX 5060 Ti 16GB card use the pair of 92 NF A9 into 14, and all three cards lack from factory overclock, and their main claim to fare is their low noise. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.